Welcome to TPLTECH Lab. The best Galaxy A10e charger is probably one of the most overlooked accessories, but it plays a vital role in keeping your phone powered up and ready to go. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of chargers, specifically tailored for your Samsung Galaxy A10e. We'll explore what makes a great charger, from fast charging capabilities to safety features, ensuring you make an informed decision for your device. Number 5. Aioneus USB C Cable 3-pack. This USB-C charging cord is compatible with a wide range of devices. It works with Samsung Galaxy, tablets, LG, Moto, TCL, and even PS5 controllers. It's designed to be your all-in-one charging solution. The 6-foot length gives you flexibility, whether you're on the couch, in the office, or in the car. The different colors help you easily identify and differentiate your cables from others. This cable supports fast charging at up to 3A. It also provides high-speed data transfer, allowing you to work efficiently. It's a safe and reliable way to power up your devices. Made with double nylon braiding, this cable is built to last. It resists kinks and has been tested for over 10,000 bends. You can count on it for long-lasting performance. You'll receive a 3-pack of Aioneus nylon-braided USB-C cables in blue, gray, and gold. Please note that this is a USB-C cable and is not compatible with micro USB or older Samsung models. What we like. This charger offers multiple colors, so you can easily distinguish your cable from others. Its 6-foot length gives you the freedom to use your device while charging from a distance. If you are looking for a convenient and versatile charging solution for multiple devices, this is the one for you. What people say. They work great. The length is perfect, especially for my nephew who sits in the back seat. They work great with the new car charger I purchased for my car. The quality of the cable is better than I expected. Number 4. TPLTECH Quick Charge 3.0 Fast Charger. This charger is designed for speed and efficiency. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, ensuring you get a quick charge every time. Utilizing Qualcomm QC 3.0 technology, it charges compatible devices up to 75% faster than standard chargers. This means less time plugged in and more time using your phone. It works with Samsung Galaxy, LG, and other Type-C USB phones. It's designed to adapt to your device's needs, providing a safe and efficient charge. This charger is ETL, CE, FCC, PSE, and RoHS certified. The intelligent circuit design protects your devices from overcharging, overcurrent, and short circuits. With an 18W output, this charger delivers fast and reliable power. It supports various output voltages to match your device's requirements. We offer 7x24 hours friendly customer service. If you have any questions or need assistance, we're here to help. What we like. This charger features Quick Charge 3.0 technology, allowing for rapid charging of compatible devices. It is also safety certified, ensuring your device is protected. If you want a fast and safe charging experience, you should consider it. What people say. Fast charge, good cord length, very durable. It is practical and it has served its purpose. Really quick charge, functions extremely well. Number 3. Samsung Fast Charger with USB-C Cable. Tired of slow charging? This fast charger is designed specifically for your Samsung Galaxy phone. It will quickly power up your device, so you can get back to what you're doing. With adaptive fast charging, it can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's 75% faster than standard chargers. It also has a wide range of compatibility. This charger works with a variety of Samsung Galaxy phones and other USB-C devices. Whether you have the latest model or an older one, it's likely compatible. It is a versatile charger. This charger is UL certified and built with multiple safeguards. It protects against short circuits, overcurrent, and overheating. It will automatically stop charging when the battery is full. The included 6-foot cable is built to last with a tangle-free design. It supports fast charging and data transfer. You can use it anywhere without being restricted by space. You'll receive a fast charging adapter, a USB-C cable, and a 1-year warranty. If you have any issues, you can exchange it or get a full refund. It is a risk-free purchase. What we like. This charger offers adaptive fast charging, getting your phone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. It is widely compatible with various Samsung Galaxy phones. If you are looking for a reliable and fast charger with a long-lasting cable, this is a great choice. What people say. The charger works perfectly. It charges my phone quickly. The charger is exactly what I needed. Number 2. Sidpro USB Type-C Fast Charger Kit. This is a versatile charging solution. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including Samsung Galaxy phones and Google Pixel phones. This set includes a wall charger, a car adapter, and 2 USB Type-C cables. The cables are designed for fast charging and data transfer. The car charger has 2 ports, allowing you to charge 2 devices simultaneously. It also features an internal LED light for easy use in the dark. The wall charger is compact and portable, perfect for travel. It provides multiple protections to keep your devices safe while charging. The USB Type-C cable supports fast charging with a maximum output of 2.4A. It also supports data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second, ensuring safe and efficient charging. You'll receive a 4-in-1 fast charger kit, including a car charger, a wall charger, and 2 USB Type-C cables. It also comes with a 12-month warranty and friendly customer service. What we like. This charger comes as a 4-in-1 kit, including a car charger, wall charger, and 2 cables. It also features a dual-port car charger, allowing you to charge multiple devices on the go. If you need a complete charging solution for both home and car, it is the perfect choice. What people say. The charger works perfectly. It charges my phone quickly. The charger is exactly what I needed. Number 1. Samsung Adaptive Fast Charger with USB Type-C Cable. Tired of slow charging? This charger is designed to quickly power up your Samsung Galaxy S9, S8, S10, and more. It's the perfect solution for anyone who needs a fast and reliable charge. This charger works with a wide range of Samsung devices, including the S9 Plus, S8 Edge, S20, A50, A51, A71, A20, A21, A20e, A10e, A11s, Note 8, and Note 9. It's a versatile charger for all your needs. The package includes a USB Type-C cable, so you're ready to charge right out of the box. This cable ensures a stable and efficient connection for optimal charging performance. The wall charger adapter plug is compact and easy to use. Simply plug it into any standard outlet, and it's ready to deliver fast charging to your device. With this charger, you can keep your Samsung devices powered up and ready to go. It's a convenient and essential accessory for your everyday life. What we like. This charger offers adaptive fast charging, ensuring your Samsung devices charge quickly and efficiently. It is compatible with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy models. If you are looking for a reliable charger that delivers fast charging, you should consider it. What people say. These chargers work great. Fast charging. Worked perfectly. It does charge faster than my previous charger and cord. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.